So, hi everyone, welcome to microbit. Now, let's learn about the beginning of the microbit. So let's click on a new project and we put the word microbit project. So we created, then with the onStart block and forever block. Before we start, let me ask you some questions. Why does the onStart and forever when we just create one project then it appear on the screen? That's why, because they always use that. This comes from basics. So let's code the radios. Radio sets group 1 in onStart and duplicate it, put it here. We will put number 2. We'll put number 2. Then we'll go to basics again. Take show number. We'll put enter it. Then it will change it to 2. It will be 1. After that, we will go to loops. Then we'll take repeat for time and duplicate it. So we will delete that. Then we will duplicate it. So we will put like that. But before that, do like that first. After that, you need to doing that too. Here we will put in it. So it needs change to 1. And this one will change to 2. After loops will be logic. Then we will duplicate it once again. Then we will put in that this is true, that we change to false. So let's go to math and then pick random off. We'll put in show number. But first, let's just duplicate it. Put it to show numbers to make sure it's all good. The code is not similar, so we'll put 0 to 10. After that, we go to logic once again and take, so we do not lose logic. Now let's go loops and take for index again. Take index and take all of that. But first, need to duplicate another one. We'll put it like that. And this also need to be like that. So, if it's like that, which means this is true, so it's gonna working on the screen. But if it's false, it's not working on the screen. Now let's make an extension. Let's go to turtle. Here, we use that. Here, we will use this turtle instead of it. So, we will like that. So, but first, let's go to basics. And take show icons. In this onStart blocks. Also in forever blocks. Then we'll put that and this put it that. Then we will go to turtle. forward one step first. Then we will duplicate it and also forward one step. After starting, it's like that. Only one step. So this is that. After move one step, need to back on one step again. After 2-minute code, we use another extension. Then we will use this extension, Sauna. We will put in the radio set group. But here, this radio set group, string pin 8 and also pin 9. So I pin 10, I pin 10, and use this centimeters. After that, we will start it. See, so bye everyone to listening my video. Please don't forget to subscribe.